Hate Krishna or Hare Krishna. While you're typing on your phone, you might have noticed sometimes the word Hare Krishna gets auto-corrected to Hate Krishna. Both these words are very much Krishna conscious, but one is very unfavorable, hating Krishna, and the other one is very favorable, serving Krishna with devotion. So similarly, there are two kinds of being. One are the demons and one are the devotees. Both of them are very much Krishna conscious. The devotees are engaged 24 hours in thinking of how to serve Krishna with love and devotion. And the demons are also engaged 24 hours thinking how to destroy Krishna. And the perfect example of such demons are like Kamsa and Sisupal. Both of them were extremely envious and were planning how Krishna should be killed. So even though Kamsa was thinking 24 hours how Krishna should be killed, that is not bhakti. That is actually pratikula or unfavorable devotional service. Whereas the devotees, they were doing favorable devotional service, which is anukula. So here comes the most absolute merciful quality of Lord Krishna, that he even liberates the demons who approach him in an unfavorable mood. Both the devotees and the demon actually attain the same results. Of course, the devotees attain a higher position of serving the Lord in Goloka, whereas the demons attain the position of merging into the Brahmajyoti. An example of this is Putana, the first demon which was killed by Lord Krishna when he was just 3 months old. This demon came in the form of a mother to give him milk and poison him and destroy him. But the Lord took that milk and took the good aspects of her, thinking that she is coming as a mother, I should liberate her. And he killed her and he gave her a position of mother in Goloka. So how much merciful God is, you can see from this example. The Lord is equal to all living entity, just as the flowing Ganges. The Ganges water is meant for the purification of everyone, yet the trees on the bank of the Ganges have different values. A mango tree on the bank of Ganges drink the water, and the Nimba tree also drinks the same water, but the fruits of both trees are different. One is celestially sweet and the other is hellishly bitter. The condemned bitterness of the Nimba fruit is due to his own past work, just as the sweetness of mango is also due to his own karma. So it's our choice. We can either choose to hate Krishna or say Hare Krishna. We can either be an elephant like Kolayapida or we can be an elephant like Gajendra. The best choice is to be a devotee of the Lord. Anya bhilasita sunyam jnana karmadi anarvitam anukullena krishnanusalalam bhaktir uttamam. One should render transcendental living service to the Supreme Lord Krishna favorably without desire for material profit or gain through fruitive activities or philosophical speculation. That is called pure devotional service. So let's recalibrate and correct that consciousness of hate Krishna and let's make it Hare Krishna. Jai Srila Prabhupada.